Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. We have completed general methods for preparation of alkynes. Today we will discuss industrial preparation of ethine. On industrial scale, ethine is prepared by reaction between calcium carbide and water. Calcium carbide is produced by reaction between quicklime, calcium oxide, and coke, 100% pure carbon. The reaction is carried out at a very high temperature of 2000 degrees centigrade. Calcium carbide is produced with formula C triple bond C, and both carbon atoms make their fourth covalent bond with the calcium atom. This calcium carbide is treated with water and ethine is produced. Calcium is changed into calcium hydroxide. So this ethine is a very important gas on industrial level. That is why its special method for production is used. Ethine is used for ripening of fruits on large scale. Now, physical characteristics of alkynes. Alkynes are colorless, odorless hydrocarbons except ethine. Ethine or acetylene has a garlic-like odor. Garlic-like. First three members of this class of hydrocarbons, that is C2H2 ethine, C3H4 propyne, C4H6 butane. They are gases at room temperature. Next 8 members from C5 to C13, they are colorless, odorless liquids. And higher members after C13, they are solids at room temperature. Melting points and boiling points of alkynes increase gradually with increase in their molecular masses. Alkynes are non-polar, that is why they are insoluble in water, but they readily dissolve in ether, benzene, and carbon tetrachloride. These are non-polar organic solvents: benzene, ether, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Now let us study reactivity of alkynes. How does alkynes react? What is their rate of reaction? In alkynes, CC triple bond has 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. Triply bonded carbon is sp carbon with electronic configuration of outer shell. 2 sp half-filled hybrid orbitals, 1 2p-y and 1 2pz atomic orbitals with 1 electron each. With the use of sp hybrid orbitals, 2 sp hybrid orbitals, both carbons of triple bond make sigma bond by other atoms through head-to-head overlap. CC sigma bond is formed by sp-sp overlap, and carbon hydrogen sigma bond, if there is hydrogen attached with carbon, the sigma bond is formed by sp-s overlap, head-to-head overlap. Both carbon atoms have 2 half-filled atomic p orbitals. that is 2py and 2pz. 2py of one carbon overlaps with 2py of adjacent carbon in parallel fashion. They make first pi bond. This is parallel overlap. 2pz of one carbon overlaps parallelly with 2pz of the adjacent carbon in another plane which is perpendicular to the plane of first pi bond and sigma bond 2. They make a second pi bond in this way. Both the carbon atoms are bonded through 3 covalent bonds. One is sigma and 2 are pi bonds. The electron cloud of these 3 bonds have a high electron density, and the nuclei of bonded atoms, they are forced to come close to each other, and the electrons of triple bond, they are less exposed due to closeness of nuclei. The electrons of pi bond, they have less exposure for attack by electrophilic reagents. Electrophile cannot find electron from these triply bonded carbon atoms. So that is why alkynes show a little bit slow rate of reaction when their reactivity is compared with those of alkenes. In alkenes, only one pi bond is present, having exposed electron density, easily available to electrophile. But in case of alkynes, less exposure make pi electron density not easily available to a nucleus electrophilic reagent. That is why alkynes show little rate of reactivity as compared to alkynes. Now, reactions of alkynes. Alkynes give similar type of reactions to those of alkenes, but with the difference that there is a 2 molecule addition in case of alkynes. For example, first addition is addition of hydrogen. We can add 2 molecules of hydrogen instead of 1. When first molecule is added to an alkyne, let's have ethyne. When hydrogen is added to ethyne in the presence of catalyst like nickel, platinum or palladium can also be used as catalyst. First of all, both carbon atoms of triple bond receive 1 hydrogen atom each, and triple bond is changed to double bond. Ethyne is converted to ethene. In second step, second molecule of hydrogen converts ethene into ethane after addition. Both carbon atoms get another hydrogen atom from hydrogen molecule, and their double bond is changed to single bond, and ethane is produced. This is the method. How can we convert ethyne to ethane? By hydrogenation. 2 molecules of hydrogen can be added to ethyne. Second addition is addition of halogen. 2 molecules of halogens can be added one by one to an alkene, to an alkyne. Let's have ethyne, and we add a halogen molecule like chlorine to it. CCl4 is used as a solvent, which is a non-polar solvent. Both carbon atoms of triple bond gain 1 chlorine atom, and the product is 1,2-dichloroethene. Cc triple bond is changed to Cc double bond. Chlorine atoms are attached in trans form. Second molecule of chlorine, when added, both carbon atoms get bonded with two chlorine atoms, and double bond is changed to single bond. In this way, the final product after halogenation is 1 1 2 2. These are positions of 4 chlorine atoms. 2 chlorine atoms are attached with one carbon, and 2 chlorine atoms are attached with the second carbon. So it is 1 1 2 2 tetrachloroethane. Chlorine and bromine give addition reaction readily, and iodine reacts slowly with alkynes. So remaining addition reactions will be discussed in next lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.